Rightio. Just gonna get ready, get all the gear ready to go fishing. We're taking, pretty much everyone's coming out, all the kids are coming out today bar a couple, so yeah, do a bit of a time lapse or a bit of a sped up video of us getting ready and then see you on the water. Yep. Lucky he's got a reversing camera. Oh, you did good back in there, mate. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Do you have a reversing camera?
No, no camera.
Okay. Time to get ready. Let's go.
We got no brakes on this puppy, mate, but we got to risk it for the biscuit.
Yeah, if you could please, because we're at the boat ramp. Because we couldn't wait much longer for them to only reply and say that it's okay.
Alright, go.
Righto, we made it to the boat ramp. Hope we have a good day's fishing. What do you reckon? Are we going to have a good day?
Hope the brake works on this trailer, mate.
The brakes aren't even connected, you bloody muppet.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Gotta risk it, mate. It's too good out there, isn't it?
2024.
We're risk takers, mate.
If you did it to me, you actually
I'll have to get in and help hold the handbrake.
Blake, can you shut up? I'm nervous ass. You would be
You
nervous.
guys scared, mate?
You would be
Oh my
nervous
gosh,
either way.
the brakes aren't working.
Oh no, we're going straight in, mate. Lucky you got a snorkel.
I might put my foot under the wheel.
Like you genuinely
What
did
the
try to
what?
hold up.
I'm great. Oh, it's sliding.
Let's see if we go swimming.
It's sliding.
Oh, we're just gonna go. I need to hold on. What if I just fall in? Oh, no. It's literally fine.
Oh, it's sliding.
Right, stop it.
No brakes. Stop it.
Oh, that's fine. What did I just feel like? Oh, just because these guys slow. Is that it? Is he not going in deeper?
Excuse me?
Is it outgoing?
metres deep still.
Kingy.
I don't really know. It feels like a rat thingy, but
Calling it. I've got meat, guys. Give it a little quarter wind. Can't get him.
Emo, mate.
Yeah.
Pookie goes.
50, I think.
55.
Look at all those pookie goes.
Yeah, it's a rat kingy.
Is it? Can you see? Where's she?
Hey!
Where's the thing go?
Solid. You got it?
Yep. Little rat kingy. Start the trip off with.
Put it over your
You want
wrist.
me to do it, Brock?
No.
Okay, make sure you get your hand right under the water.
Okay.
They are coming over here, by the way.
Let's see what's going on here. He is. He's about 70 centimetres.
What is it? 90?
75.
Wait, so what do I do?
Hold it completely under the water.
Okay.